POV, you're getting rich making Fortnite maps with Polo G. If you guys didn't know, me and Polo G have been working for the past few months and we've been building our own Fortnite map for his brand new album called Hood Poets 2.0, which you guys can go ahead and stream right here on Spotify or your local, obviously, music distributor, which is right here. Here's the album. You guys can listen to it. But essentially, Polo G is an amazing guy and I reached out to him on Instagram a few months ago and we built a game called the Chicago Royale. And I'm making everyone millions of dollars with Fortnite maps, but this is just another added bonus on the cake to show you guys that, yes, you can make a lot of money, right? And a lot of you guys may be asking, why is there only 5 players on there? Literally because we're going to be marketing this game soon. Of course, this video will be transparent, raw, authentic, and unedited. I just want to give you guys a full disclosure on how I'm actually, making millions of dollars for these people by building these games, right? I just burped there. Sorry, guys. Essentially, I texted Polo G a few months ago, back in September, August, whatever. And I'm like, hey, brother, I like your music. Let's go build a video game in Fortnite together. And obviously, guys, he's an amazing person, super down to earth. So we built this game together, which you guys can play. It's called the Polo G Chicago Royale. Amazing, beautiful thumbnail. And this game's going to make millions and millions of dollars for the years to come because of all of the streams, the giveaways, and events that I've planned for this specific game. Okay, anyways, so you guys may be asking, well, Davey, that's amazing, but how does that concern me? How do I get started doing what you're doing, right? And venture off into the business with getting all of these people on board making maps to obviously raise status yourself. And to answer your question, you can't, okay? What you guys should be focusing on is actually building games by yourself, okay? You don't need all of these famous people to help you get started off. I don't. I still don't. But I'm here to inspire you to help you get started building games today. All right? I've been making content for the last 17 to 13 years of my life, right? And this is no joke. I'm here to stay. I'm here to conquer and inspire and motivate people, obviously, in need as well. Moral of the story. Obviously, I make millions of dollars building games with the biggest people in the world. We already get that, okay? Jinxie, Polo G, Floyd Mayweather, Shaquille O'Neal, they are amazing people, and I love and respect all of them. And there's so many corporate business deals with Fortnite map making that I can't wait to share with you guys very soon. Of course, guys, you guys can join my Discord in the link in the description to help yourselves actually get started building games. Everybody who joins the Discord will get their very hands-on on their very first pre-made successful game that they can literally just post and make thousands of dollars every single month doing so. It is that easy, but it also isn't, because obviously things do take time. A lot of back and forth with the algorithm. I know the algorithm is pretty gay, guys. I understand. It's gay, okay? There's no actual... It isn't an algorithm, okay? It's a pick and choose, punch and pull bullshit system, right? I understand, okay? I understand. And with this game with Polo G, we are really going to change that. With the games that I'm making with these famous, influential people, I'm building a real-life fan base and friends and connection with these people. And I'm super blessed and thankful to be a part of this business and not only bring it to you guys, because I am the face of Fortnite, of building games and video games in Fortnite. I am the business, and I am so blessed to have you guys a part of this long ride and journey as I embark to fame and riches and success. It's really about to happen. All of it is about to happen. And I can't thank you guys enough, seriously. But on a high note, let me show you guys exactly how you guys can help yourselves getting started making Fortnite maps. Obviously, we know that I help everyone in the world to get started, but I want to show you guys actually how yourselves can actually get started and actually learn the ropes of building games. Okay, so obviously, if you don't already know, you have to download UEFN, which is short for the Unreal Editor for Fortnite, okay? And the only way that you actually get to download that, let's close Discord here. The only way that you guys can actually download that is obviously by downloading the Epic Games Launcher. Oh my god, who would have known, right? Let's go. So essentially, guys, download the Epic Games Launcher. Once you downloaded it, you can go ahead and open it right up here. And you can download Fortnite and UEFN. Right, and I'll open them in 2 seconds. Hey, iShowSpeed, how you doing, buddy? Glad you're in Fortnite. I have a few, yeah. I'm glad he's in Fortnite, man, because I know I'll be getting a skin soon. The Davy Davis skin. Tell me who's copping the Davy Davis icon skin in the description chat. Let me know in the comments, all right? I don't know why I said chat. I'm not even streaming. Anyways, let's go to Unreal Editor. I just want to show you guys to search this up, alright? Unreal Editor for Fortnite, and here it is, guys. You guys can go ahead and just click on it and download that motherfucker. It is a lot of gigabytes, guys. It's 125 gigabytes on your PC for both of these included, okay? My PC barely could even handle that, so I had to delete a lot of things. Trust me, guys, it wasn't inappropriate, but yeah, I had to delete a lot of things, and yeah, man, I mean, you know, it sucked, but that's how it goes, guys. It doesn't always roll the way that you want it to. I mean, you could roll a 6, and every time I roll a 6 in my life, I promise you, not 6, 7, I roll a 6, all right? Cool, got it. That's awesome. But anyways, I have this mentorship program that I want to discuss and talk to you guys about, right? So it's called Fort Mafia. In the soon, down the line, I will have, obviously, a Fort Mafia mansion. A select few you guys can live at. It's not a Diddy house, all right? It's not. You guys can live there, and you guys could build games with the celebrity influential people that I bring in and connect with. It'll probably be no expenses, completely free, no tax write-offs, everything's completely free. But essentially, I want you guys to join the Fort Mafia Inner Circle if you have $1,000, because that is the cost. I just want to disclose here that it is going to help you, okay? There's new people joining every single day, right? And there's a reason for that. I'm helping you get started building games. Obviously, I have made millions of dollars with this YouTube content. The reason and how I make millions of dollars for these people is because they watch the content that you guys are watching right now. And the difference is that they get motivated through the content while you're stuck asking yourself the same question, how do I get started, right? So the people that actually take action are the ones that actually achieve results. And that is why they obviously spend money, because they believe they can achieve success with me and together with themselves, of course, right? Because it's all really about, in a nerdy sense, you got to put the brains and the bronze together. I mean, that's what Hulk says in Avengers Endgame, and it's true. If you can think rationally, and you have a vision, and you believe you can get there, and you believe that spending money is the way to get there, which most cases it is. If you want to learn how to drive, you got to pay money to learn lessons. It's the same psyop. It's the same methodology of life, right? Because you're spending money to make money back on the return of the time that it took you to make it in the first place. So there's your Davy motivation there. I understand that a lot of you guys want to see more practical hands-on courses and content with making maps, but that isn't going to appeal to people that don't know about making maps. I'm the biggest person in the entire space and world doing this, and I forever will be. Because I have a vision, and I see 100 million people lit up across the globe making video games in Fortnite and building their own experiences for their fan bases and cultivating millions of audiences around the world. That is generational wealth. And that is the cure. I'm saving the world, and I'm changing the world, and I'm blessed to have you guys by my side. I love you, Polo G. The sky's the limit. Happy early birthday. If you guys don't know, it's his birthday, January 6th, so everyone wish him a happy birthday. Regardless, a lot of cool collaborations coming soon, and I need you guys in this mentorship program. Only if you have $1,000. If you don't, it's not worth it, okay? And that is because I need only people who are actually motivated and committed to the cause of actually trying to better themselves and obviously make income for themselves building games. But on that note, guys, I love you guys. Business and sponsorship, reach out down below. Click the top video on the screen. I'm out, boys. See you guys soon. Happy New Year. Lock in. It's 2026 now. I have the success. You can too. Peace.